Contracts are the backbone of business and personal agreements, but what makes them legally binding? Today, we're exploring the 7 essential elements that transform a simple agreement into a legally enforceable contract. Every day, countless contracts are formed, from employment agreements to property sales. Understanding these key elements is crucial for anyone entering into an agreement. Let's break them down. First, we have the offer. This is where one party proposes terms to another. It must be clear, definite, and communicated to the other party. For example, a company offering you a job with specific salary and benefits. Next comes acceptance. The other party must clearly agree to the terms of the offer. This can be done verbally, in writing, or sometimes even through actions. Accepting a job offer by signing an employment contract is a common example. The third element is the meeting of the minds, also known as mutual agreement. Both parties must have the same understanding of the contract's core terms. Any misunderstanding or deception can void the contract. Fourth is consideration. Each party must exchange something of value. This could be money, goods, services, or even a promise to do something. Without this exchange, a contract is merely a gift or a favor, not a legally binding agreement. The fifth element is capacity. All parties must have the legal ability to enter into a contract. This means they must be of legal age and sound mind. Contracts involving minors or individuals under the influence of drugs or alcohol may not be enforceable. Legality is the sixth element. The purpose and terms of the contract must be legal. You can't enforce a contract for illegal activities or services. Finally, while not always required, some contracts need to be in writing to be enforceable. This is particularly true for agreements involving large sums of money or property transfers. Understanding these elements is crucial. They protect both parties and ensure that agreements are fair and enforceable. Whether you're signing an employment contract, leasing property, or entering into a business partnership, knowing these elements can help you avoid potential legal pitfalls. Remember, contracts are more than just paperwork. They're legally binding agreements that can have significant consequences. When in doubt, it's always wise to consult with a legal professional to ensure your contracts meet all necessary requirements. By mastering these 7 elements, you'll be better equipped to navigate the complex world of contracts, protecting your interests and ensuring your agreements stand up in court if necessary.